Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. It's Friday lunchtime here and finally we've got a decent day in Cape Town. The sun is out, there's not a cloud in the sky, and of course the sky is that beautiful African blue color. So that sort of inspired me for today's pour. I'm going to be doing an all blue lacing effect pour. The colors I'm using today are Prussian blue, which is a nice sort of dark blue. I've got the cerulean blue, a little bit lighter. We've got the ultramarine blue, even light, not just a different shade of blue, and then we've got the phthalo blue. So yeah, 4 different blues, and then my lacing color I've made up a nice light blue, just out of some blue and white that I had together. So let's get the show on the road. My problem with the lacing that I've found is I always put too much of the lacing paint in the middle and you're just left with this sort of big splodge. So I'm going to try and negate that today. Let me start. Also going to try, I normally just do concentric circles like this, but today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try going across. Lacing color, which I've made with 1 part paint and 3 parts Floetrol and a little bit of water just to make it much runnier than the rest of it. So let me pour this on and let's see if we can do it. I think that should be good. I always go overboard on that lacing color. So right guys, I've got the hairdryer. I'm going to play some music and let's see what happens when I blow this out. There we go guys. Well, we do have some nice lacing over here. Let me get my gloves on and I can start tilting it out. Actually first I want to flame it and see if we can get some more lacing coming through. So there are some colors. This is always the problem I have in the middle there with the colors, with the lacing colors always just plonked in the middle and then nothing else comes through it. Right, so some nice lacing here, so I'm hoping that I can tilt it and make that the main part of the pour. Right, let's give this a go. Yeah, that looks great. I'm just going to flame it again and just see if we can get anything to come up. Man, those gloves are still wet. Really need to turn them inside out and dry them. Right, one last flame. Okay guys, there we go. Yeah, that's turned out very interesting. The blue is actually, the light blue has gone almost like a turquoisey type color. I guess because it's mixed with the other blues, but yeah, I like it. Some nice little lacing effects there. Maybe I didn't do enough lacing stuff this time, but yeah, I'm not really sure how to get the lacing all over the painting, so I'm just sort of learning that as I go along. But there you have it. So guys, have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get the videos as they come out. And yeah, I'm going to give you a close-up now, and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.